Tonight, the governor asking the attorney general to investigate a state lawyer who failed to file a timely appeal in a multi-million-dollar lawsuit between the state and multiple nursing homes. The attorney has been removed from the state's master list of lawyers, and now the AG's office is expected to look into whether he was practicing law illegally. Eyewitness News reporter Kim Kalunian met with the governor earlier tonight and has more now from the State House. Kim?
Well, today, Governor Raimondo took our questions for the first time since this story broke yesterday morning. And she says her priority is appealing this ruling to try and save taxpayers money. But she also says she wants to find out exactly what happened and whether or not there was any criminal wrongdoing.
If it's pure incompetence, he deserved to lose his job. But there could be more there.
Governor Gina Raimondo calling for an investigation into a state attorney who failed to file a timely appeal in a multi-million-dollar legal battle.
And earlier today, I directed my team to refer this to the Attorney General's office for a fuller investigation.
A spokeswoman for the AG's office says they would be honing in on the fact that Gregory Hajian continued to serve as the legal counsel for the Executive Office of Health and Human Services even after his name was removed from the state's master list of attorneys back in January.
This was a lawyer who was a relatively junior lawyer there, and he did everything wrong. And that's inexcusable. And I'm angry.
Hajian, whose official title is senior legal counsel, was earning roughly $86,000 a year, according to state records. You yourself said Mr. Hajian is a lower-level attorney. Why was he solely responsible for keeping tabs on a multi-million-dollar lawsuit?
Right, so that's the question we have to get to the bottom of, and that's why his supervisor is also on leave.
That supervisor, Deborah George, is on paid administrative leave. Her annual salary tops $138,000. Raimondo's political rivals blasted her response to the situation on Monday, saying she is the one who should be held accountable. And a spokeswoman for the Attorney General's office tells us the unauthorized practice of law is a misdemeanor crime that carries a maximum penalty of $500 in fines or a year in prison. Hajian resigned from his job. He has so far declined any comment. In Providence, I'm Kim Kalunian, Eyewitness News.